Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Riza here, aka Start Smart, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna show you guys the best way that you guys can make $42,000 per month. Actually over $42,000 per month. And I have a live proof for you guys. So this is not a scam or anything. This is not a clickbait title. This is not a clickbait thumbnail. As you guys could see on the thumbnail, there is actually a proof on the thumbnail that it says 42,783. I think I can't really remember. That's how much you guys can actually make. Actually more than that if you guys work more. So this tip is gonna actually help you guys make some money and quit your 9 to 5 job. If you guys are doing jobs, then this is actually gonna make you more than what you guys can make on your job, on your 9 to 5 job. So let's get started with the video. So I just want to let you guys know that I have live proof that you guys can actually make that $42,000. So first thing, before we get started, make sure you guys click the subscribe button, like this video, because in the next few months I have some great contents ready for you guys, so you guys can make some money online and become successful in your life. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos that I'm uploading, because I'm really trying my best to help you guys make the money, and I'm actually posting the real stuff. I'm not doing any hacks, and I've seen this on other people's channels where they post stuff but they don't even know what they're talking about. Well, I know what I'm talking about in this video, so let's get started. So the website that we're actually gonna use is called Skillshare. So Skillshare, if you guys have any knowledge, anything you guys can do, you guys can share it in here and earn money. So this is a place where people sign up. Like, let's say I post you know how I post this video, I'm recording this video right now. Let's say I want to share this on Skillshare. I share it here, then the students, let's say you guys are the students, yeah, so you guys actually need to pay monthly to get access to those videos, to those classes that I share. So once I share those classes in here, as much as you guys watch it, as much money as I earn. So let's actually break that down. Let's say the thing is 1,000 hours, the Skillshare watch hours. So if 1,000 hours, so if you guys watch, actually if someone watch my if my videos get 100 of those hours, I will actually earn 10% of that. So I'll actually earn like 10% of how much Skillshare actually makes in total. So this is a good thing about this, and I'll actually talk about this more in the next videos of this channel, because this is a very great way you guys can make money. Now let me show you guys the live proof, so you guys don't click off this video. So here it is. This guy actually showed some live proof on his video. Instructor HQ, 784 subscribers. Make sure you guys click the subscribe button on his channel as well. Shout out to Instructor HQ. And as you guys can see there, 42,789, 42,689. So that's royalties, that's total earned. So their total earned, he actually made 477,441 in total. So there's a live proof. That's where I got the thumbnail from. So you guys don't need to click off this video and think, oh, this is scam or something, because people are actually making money with Skillshare, and this is a live proof. So let's get back to Skillshare. So Skillshare is actually a place where, let's say, people that knows how to do stuff, like let's say I know how to edit a photo on Photoshop, then I create an online course where I show people how to create a photo, how to edit a photo inside the what's called Photoshop. Then I post it in here. Then the students that actually pay, so how the students join is press on here, start for free today. Then the students that actually pay their money and join this, they actually get, look, as you guys can see, prime member benefits, unlimited access to thousands of classes, quality teachers, offline watching. So that's the good thing about this. It's actually very cheap, $11.75 monthly. Then you guys have this other one for $20 monthly, and there's different plans you guys can choose. So I think this is the best way you guys can make some money. And this was it for today's video. I just wanted to share that people are actually making money through Skillshare, because not a lot of people makes video through this about this stuff, because some people think you need to have a license, you need to have experience. You actually don't need to have experience, you don't need to have a license. The only thing you need to know is a bit, if you have a bit of knowledge on something, if you know how to do something, then you guys can just share it on Skillshare and earn some income. And as you guys can see on this guy here, he's actually making big income. He's making like $42,000 every month. So July 2019 he made $42,789. So that's a lot of money. Yeah, but if you guys made half of that, will that be okay for you guys? If you guys made like, let's say around 20,000 a month, that's a lot of money. Yeah, even if you guys make 10,000 a month, that's a lot of money. So make sure you guys go try this out through the link in the description, because I'm gonna share a link in the description that's gonna give you guys a free trial as well, which is gonna help you guys test this out and see if it works for you. Make sure you guys click the link in the description and go check this Skillshare app, Skillshare website out, because I think this is the best way to make some money, and this can be your 9 to 5 job from now on. You guys don't need to work a lot on this. You guys only need to work like probably 3 hours, 1 hour every day. Not a lot guys. So as you guys can see, join over 8 million creators around the whole world. So around the world there's 8 million creators that joined Skillshare. So you guys can join too and watch their videos, or what you guys can do is create your own course in here, so you guys can earn some money. That was it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure guys click the subscribe button, click the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.